just left a dirty great brown stain in the driveway. Come and have a look. The fuel filter needed changing in the Ford. I wasn't going to make a film about it because it's quite dull and boring and it's supposed to be all about the Humber. But when I undid the filter, that's what came out. Right, so that's the filter. Whoops. Look at the rust on it. Right, now I can't remember which end that goes out. So, if we do this end, take it off. There's nothing that's going to come out now. If I take that end off.
That's crap.
Yeah, look at that. Look.
Is that running through our car?
Well, no, the filter's stopping it. But if I did it that way round.
Nothing.
Oh, there it is coming out. Well, it's still not perfect, is it?
No, it's horrible.
No, but it's worse coming out that side. So, good job that filter, I say. Look at that. Now, I'm not sure if this car's got a plastic fuel tank or a metal fuel tank. If it's a metal fuel tank, I'm worried that that's rust coming from the bottom of the tank, but it could just be rust coming from inside the filter. Because I say, it's pretty badly corroded. But look at that. So, good job that filter, I think.
Cup of tea time.
Cup of tea time?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how much fuel does one filter hold? And I lost a load of it. Ah. That's making me want to go. Look at that. Ah. I'm tempted, if I can get outdoors somewhere, to cut it open and see what it's like inside. I'm going to do it in. Look at that. That is amazing, isn't it?
Oh, don't do that. That's gross. Dave! Ah! I'm getting in if you're going to do things like that.
Well, it's flowing through, but I'm absolutely astounded at how much muck was in that. I've taken it for a fairly long drive, and it does seem to be a little better. So there you go. It's not about the Humber, but never mind. Right, hang on, let me put that down a minute. So I said I was going to cut the fuel filter open when it was safe and dry to do so, to see where that rust was coming from. So, rusty on the outside, not rusty on the inside. Oh, I don't know. No, it's probably rust got there. So it was fairly badly choked up. Yeah. But I can breathe through it. But quite badly choked up. And lots of this. I also, that stuff I tipped out into the brown bowl. Look how much there was once all the petrol evaporated out. It's sort of like a floury, dusty rust, or fleur de rust, as I call it, or dusty, floury rust, which would be duffler rust. So that's what came out of it, plus what I spilt in the drive. Right, so this is the quickest fix-it I've ever done on any vehicle. What are you looking at? Right, this is the quickest fix-it I've ever done on any vehicle. Now, I had a Morris 8 that used to get the filter full of that rusty stuff. So, either a magnet out of an old hard drive or a old magnet out of a speaker, or I bought that one in the post. And you just go under the fuel tank. And that seems to stop the problem in its tracks. So if I ever took the fuel tank out to do any work on it, just take the magnet off and clean it out from inside. So we'll see if that makes a difference next time the fuel filter needs changing. What I also can do is, if I go to change the fuel filter, I can take the magnet off a couple of days before, let it pick up all the rust, and then put it back on again. So we'll see how we go. So that's it for now. Bye bye.